Hi first graders, welcome to Start Smart Week 2, Day 5. Okay, let's talk about this sentence. This whole paragraph, actually, these sentences. Jack saw a giant. Prairie dogs are not dogs. Okay, so we're going to go over these. First of all, we want you to notice this word right here does not look like the rest. This word is in italics, which means we kind of say it stronger. Prairie dogs are not dogs. Okay, let's look at a few other examples. This word has lots of That means we're going to say it a little longer. And then these 3 dots can mean 2 things. It either means we're going to pause, or that there is something that's going to, something will come after that. So remember that a sentence is made up of a group of related words, and that it starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Okay, look at these 2 photo cards. I will say the name of each card, then you will repeat the name. Mop, top. Your turn. The words mop and top rhyme because they both end in op. Listen. Op, t, op. Both mop and top end in op, so they rhyme. Rhyming words end in the same sounds. So now we're going to play a game, and I'm going to give you 3 seconds to decide if they rhyme. Not, lot. 3, 2, 1. Yes, they both have ot. Rob, job. 3, 2, 1. Yes, because they both have ob at the end. Mop, cat. 3, 2, 1. No. Op and cat are not the same. Dot, hot. 3, 2, 1. Yes, because they both end in ot. Bag, pig. 3, 2, 1. No. Even though they both end in g, bag, pig. They don't sound the same. Sock, lock. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Sock and lock have ock at the end. Rod, red. 3, 2, 1. No. Even though they start with odd, and ed are not the same endings. Bit, sit. 3, 2, 1. Yes, they both have it at the end. Sad, mad. 3, 2, 1. Yes, because they both end in ad. Okay, this is the ball card. This is uppercase and lowercase b. The name of the letter is B. The sound of the letter is B. Okay, Miss Turner will go over uppercase and lowercase b and how to write those. Our other letter today is the lemon card. Oh, that's okay. The lemon card. So the lemon card has uppercase and lowercase l. The name of the letter is L. And the sound is O. And in kindergarten you might have learned, lemon. Lemons are a little sour. Okay, so Miss Turner will go over uppercase L and lowercase l and how to write those. We're going to practice reading them. Ready? Here we go. B, 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 b. O. 3. Oh, we're going to read a few words and I'm going to explain why we're going over these words. Okay, sound, blend. Bell. Now, the reason why we're going over this is because the last sound is ul. Just one ul. We don't go ul. We go fell. So even when there are 2 L's, it still says 1 ul. Let's do another word that has the ul sound. Bell. So this is bell. We don't say ul. We just say bell. Here's another word with the ul sound. T. Blend. Tell. Tell. And here's one more word with double L's. Now remember, double L's say one sound. They say, oh. Oh, it's like a smile. Okay, let's keep going. Blend, blend, sell. What's the word? Sell. 3. Okay, we're going to read some more with double L. Fill. Together, word, fill. Blend, hill. Blend, word, hill. The sound is p, but we can't blend yet. Now we can blend. Hill. Word, hill. Okay, nice job. So once again, before we end with this part, double L says one O. Just one. Okay, this is review, so we're going to go pretty quickly. We're going to go quickly through this. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, b. 3, 2, 1, k. 3, 2, 1, d. 3, 2, 1, eh. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, O. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, p. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, s. 3, 2, 1, t. Okay, now we're going to blend some words. Here we go. Keep your voice on. Lid. Word is lid. Okay, here we go. We can't blend with b, so we'll wait for the next sound. Blend. Bat. Put it together. Bat. Okay, here we go again. Lip. Put it together. The word is lip. Here we go. We can't blend just with b, so we'll wait. Blend. Bill. The word is bill. Oh, whoops. The word is bill. Remember, double L only says one L sound. Okay, here are some more words. We'll do it together. Blend. We'll blend in a minute. Blend, bat. The word is bat. Sat. The word is sat. Blend, bit. The word is bit. Can't blend yet. Blend, hit. The word is hit. Blend, lip. The word is lip. Blend, lid. The word is lid. Rid. The word is rid. Rip. The word is rip. Okay, I'm going to let you do one, then I'll do one. Can't blend yet? Now blend. Keep your voice on. Blend, word, had. Now we'll do it together. Can't blend yet? Hat. Word is hat. Your turn. Can't blend yet? Blend. Blend. Word, hot. Lot. Word is lot. Your turn. Can't blend yet? Blend. Blend. Word, bell. My turn. All of us. Can't blend yet? Tell. Word, tell. Your turn. Blend. 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 Word is sell. Fell. Word is fell. LL, remember, says ol. Okay, here's our sentence. We have a capital, so we do have our capital. Bill is at bat. Let's read it fluently, like we're talking. Bill is at bat. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Space in between words. Do we have good handwriting, or can we read it? Yes. Is it good spelling? Yes. And an end mark? Yes. And our end mark today is a period. Okay, let's do another sentence. Where is the lid? Now fluently, where is the lid? Do we have capital yes? Finger space yes? End mark yes? And today it's a question because we don't know where the lid is. Good handwriting yes? And spelling yes. Okay friends, we are listening for whether the word starts with a B or an O. Bell, bell. 3, 2, 1, B. Leaf, leaf. 3, 2, 1, L. Lion, lion. 3, 2, 1, L. Bed, bed. 3, 2, 1, B. Lamp, lamp. 3, 2, 1, L. Ball, ball. 3, 2, 1, B. And then here's a tub. So we're going to listen for that last sound. Say it with me slowly. Tub. We need a B there. Okay, we're going to go over these pretty quickly because we've done these already. 3, 2, 1, this. 3, 2, 1, little. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, is. 3, 2, 1, where. 3, 2, 1, and. 3, 2, 1, my. 3, 2, 1, here. 3, 2, 1, we. 3, 2, 1, look. 3, 2, 1, play. Nice job, everyone. I will see you on for the next week. So have a nice weekend. Bye, everyone.